That's a thunderstorm. Severely growing.
Can we not hold the door open though? You want to hold the cold air out?
Yeah, I'll close it in between me. That is awesome. I mean, if you see something like this, it's almost guaranteed it's going to storm at our house. Like, this is guaranteed. Because look at this. Mosquitoes. Dumb mosquitoes, dude.
25, by the way.
Yeah, my brother's watching a movie, so don't mind him.
Ethan, I need another Tupperware.
Another what?
Look at this, guys.
Tupperware. Someone's property, take your eyes off it.
There is no thunder yet. Because it's
So what kind of Tupperware
super
do you
far
need?
away.
Oh, I get it. Here you go.
Stupid bugs. Why are there mosquitoes everywhere? That was cool. That lit up the whole thing. This is very exciting. So this storm is becoming more outflow dominant. I don't know if I'm using that word correctly. So this storm is growing rapidly. Here's a picture at 7 p.m. And this is now. Wow. Woo! That was a big mama. I just saw a lightning strike cloud to cloud.
Really?
Yeah. That was bright. That was oh my gosh. This storm is crazy. Crazy but daisy. Our lights are flickering too. This is not good.
Take care of the
Bah,
kids.
bah, 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 bah.
Buddy.
Bah, 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 bah. So yeah, guys. You guys just saw flash lightning. Alright, we'll be right back when it's like right on top of us. Alright, me and my dad are going outside currently. This is the culprit. You can't, it's barely visible now. It's like barely visible. But you can still kind of see it when it flashes. So when that lightning just flashed, so remember that spot. My dad is currently opening a can of soda as we speak. You can see it better when I go to 1.x zoom. It's crazy. Becoming more intense because like it just chucked out a lightning bolt. So this storm is very, very, very active because usually it has to like wait and charge up for another lightning flash. And yeah, it does it like every 5 seconds. See? There's a plane flying through it. So I don't think that helps either. So yeah, this storm is right in front of us too. So just keep an eye out for like all of this. Here. Yeah, I'll just stay here. You can see the clouds over there too. I think it would help the bugs if we just turned off the light. So I'm gonna turn it off real quick.
It's not going to stop the mosquitoes. They're not attracted by light. They're attracted by the carbon monoxide, the carbon dioxide.
Well, just because we're just gonna turn off the light because it's you know.
It's not going to stop the mosquitoes though. They're pretty bad actually.
So the other bugs stop coming.
Yeah, but the mosquitoes are the ones that actually bite us. You have to be careful for. They carry diseases.
I know. This is crazy. Rate this storm 1 out of 10, Dad. I mean, it actually hasn't.
You can't. It's so far away. Cool visuals though.
I know, right? But this storm is actually actively coming because it was closer than last time.
Well, the thing is, like, it's hard to say because it's moving so slow. It's not windy out.
Yeah, well, it is moving.
Yeah, but we can't tell which way. It really hasn't moved much, if at all. These planes that we're seeing are flying in between us and that cloud. They're not really flying into the cloud. It's an optical illusion.
Was that a strike or just a flash? I couldn't see.
Look, it's just a flash in the clouds.
Yeah, no cloud or ground lightning yet. The storm hasn't developed enough. Or maybe it is, but it's just finding no ground. Buggies. I'm fine if the mosquitoes bite me, but it's just...
No, you don't want the mosquitoes to bite you. They carry West Nile and Triple E.
Oh, never mind. That was cool.
Sure, whoever's on that plane got a good view of that.
Yeah. Sorry if I'm moving the camera so much. That was a pretty damn good one, if you ask me. This looks pretty cool, actually. Looking nice. Wow.
That's a good one.
Yeah, that. Oh my god. You might hear thunder after that one. Count the Mississippi. 3, 2, 1. How come that one didn't have any
The
thunder?
radar's only showing the heat advisory. It's not showing.
Did it light up like the whole sky? Did it light up the patio thingy, Dad?
What?
That lightning flash.
It's pretty bright.
That one was quick. So that's proof it's getting closer, Dad. Just to prove my point. If it's becoming more rapid flashes like that, then it's coming closer.
We're not going to be able to stay out here, though. These mosquitoes are very, very bad.
Yeah, I know. I don't know why. It's so stupid. Retarded. That was the brightest one I've ever seen. And it almost blinded me. Imagine being up close to that flash, actually. That would have been pretty intense. I can feel them biting me.
Man, there's nothing on the radar. That doesn't make any sense. It's clearly there.
Maybe they didn't pick it up yet.
Oh, we're looking north. Alright, there it is. That's all the way up on the New Hampshire border, believe it or not.
Is it close or far?
That's far. It's over, that's where it is right now.
Well, is it
The
moving?
lightning.
Is it moving closer?
No, it's moving east. It's going that way.
Oh, that means we'll like see it still. So it still counts as a storm, right?
Yeah, for whoever's in Winchendon.
Right.
So that's how far away it is.
Like how many miles away is it?
Let's see, is there an index on this map? It doesn't say. But Gardner, Ashburnham, Winchendon, that's like 45 minutes away.
So it's not like mega far.
Probably about 25, 30 miles.
And it's this bright.
Yeah. Alright, we gotta go inside. These mosquitoes are eating us alive.
Well, if you're gonna go in, then I'm coming in too, because where was that? I didn't see it. I was looking at you. What direction was that?
Though, right?
Yeah, what direction was that?
It was right there.
That was bright.
You got it. Alright, let's go.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Hurry.
I'm trying to go in.
Yes.
So the mosquitoes are pretty bad out there, so we're just gonna put the camera right here. Therefore, we can actually sit down and relax. Now we can still see it. That was a good one.
Really must be out there now.
Yes, it is.
that as like bad as we've ever seen mosquitoes since we've been here?
Yes. Yeah, you can say
You
that
guys
without
get
a
West
doubt.
Island die now.
This is pretty chaotic, right? So,
That's normal for the summer.
well, it's over in New Hampshire, right?
Yeah.
Hopefully, I bet they're having a good time, right?
Yeah.
That was some sarcastic, by the way. So this still counts as a storm because of how bright that flash was, and that lightning, and that cloud of cloud lightning. It's crazy.
Voicemail confirmed. Biometrics confirmed.
Still good to. Wow, you see that?
Yeah.
That was bright.
Sir. What's happening? Rebooting the system. In 3, 2, 1.
So Dad, if we were living at Tingsboro still, this storm would douche us.
What?
If we were still living in Tingsboro, would this storm like be all over us?
Not right now. It wouldn't. No.
But it would be heading our way, right?
From what I could see.
That is crazy. No, actually, that is actually crazy.
Now we're talking. It's all right. Warsaw.
Imagine if we were in the storm right now.
We're two of the most recognizable men on the planet. Huh. Not even one of the most recognizable British people.
Alexis,
Point is,
the rice is coming.
I'm gonna end the video soon because this is just moving away.
Well, chops are done, the rice is coming.
That's alright, babe.
I think this is moving away. I think. So if it does come back, I can just record it again. Woo! That was cool, right, Dad?
Yeah. Very cool.
I don't know if that. Hope you're not sarcastic. Brother's watching a movie still, so don't mind him again. This storm is insane. It's 8:57 right now.
hey fellas, how's it going? You got turn around and need some help.
I think this storm just became active.
You know? Water cobra.
This is not okay. This is not okay. This is straight up gross.
Leslie Goodwin. Huh? I think you should give him a look. Jessica też prosić.
I don't know if there's any more.
Yeah, well, you know, I've gifted you some comfort and essence because we're about to get
Hope there
our asses
is.
kicked in. Read the room.
I was just playing VR chat when this storm rolled in. It's a bug.
See what's going.
Storm moving closer or further? My dad's checking. The flashes are becoming brighter. This is crazy. Where's it moving?
It's gonna be over Lowell. About 9:30. It's actually moving fairly quickly now. It's gonna be over Lowell in about half an hour.
How about us?
We couldn't get to Lowell in half an hour.
So is it coming to us or further from us?
No, further away. This is it right here.
That was a dud.
Orders outside. I shouldn't have to yell.
So where's us?
We're right here. The dot right there, that's us. And
No, the order's not outside.
that's a cloud.
Ah, so it's moving further, Ma.
Order's not outside, Mom.
Good shot.
So if it's moving further, I think that's the end of this lightning show. Unfortunately.
What the heck is going on?
Yeah, guys, peace out. I'm gonna record back if there's more, and yeah, bye-bye. Well, turns out now it's over Lowell now instead of Tingsboro, where I used to live. I would be getting all over it if I was still at Tingsboro, but I'm here now. Spinning light. I'm watching Unspeakable, and my ring light's on, and my rim light is on. Yeah, it's my setup. So, bye-bye. Peace out. And bye-bye. Yeah, this storm was pretty intense. I saw like a really big flash and cloud lightning, so I would consider that a storm. So that's why I'm posting this on YouTube right now. So yeah, bye-bye.